Hello students, today we will revise the next topic of chapter 2 National Income and Accounting. The next topic is income method for measurement of national income. It means calculation of national income by income method. Income method measures national income from the perspective of factor incomes. Under this method, income received by all the residents of a country for their productive services during a year are added up to obtain the national income. According to this method, all the incomes that acquire to the factor production by way of wages, profit, rent, interest are added up to obtain national income. It means national income is also known as distributive share method or factor payment method. Components of factor income. The sum total of factor income earned within the domestic territory of a country is known as the domestic income. It means from this method we are able to calculate NDP at the rate of FC. It means net domestic product at the rate of factor cost. How to calculate NDP at the rate of FC by national income? First of all, COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. In operating surplus, we are adding rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. Now we will do the detailed study of each and every factor. First of all, COE, compensation of employees. COE means amount paid to employees by the employer for rendering their services. It includes all the benefit whether it is in cash or in kind, whether it is paid directly or indirectly from the employer to employee. Now first there are three elements of COE: wages and salary in cash, wages and salary in kinds, and third, employer contribution to social security. First, wages and salary in cash. It includes all monetary benefits like wages, salaries, bonus, DNS, allowance, commission, etc. We are going to add it. Next, wages and salary in kinds. If it is paid non-monetary benefit also, like rent-free home, free car, free medical, free education facilities, it is also included in COE. Plus employer contribution to social security scheme. It includes also the contribution made by the employer for the social security of employees. For example, contribution to provident fund, gratuity, labor welfare fund, retirement pensions also included in COE. Next, second factor of NDP at the rate of FC, that is operating surplus. How to calculate operating surplus? Rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. First of all, rent. Rent is the part of national income which arises from ownership of land and building. If you are giving the land as a rent, the rental income includes in national income. Even rent of self-occupied properties. If you are using your self-occupied properties for business, the rent, imputed rent, that is also included in national income. What is royalty? Royalty means income received for granting, leasing rights of subsoil assets. For example, owners of minerals deposit like coal, iron, ore, natural gases can earn income by giving rights of mining to the contractor. Next part of the operating surplus, that is interest. Interest refers to the amount received for lending funds giving loans to the productive units. It includes both actual interest as well as imputed interest. It means if you are going to take a loan from banks or any other sources, the amount which you are paying as the interest that is included in national income. If you have your own fund and you are using that own fund for your own business, the interest received on it, if you are not giving that, using that for your business, so in that condition you are going to deposit into the bank, and the interest income which you are going to earn from that, that is also included in national income. Next, profit. Profit is the reward to the entrepreneurs for his contributing to the production of goods and services. It includes three factors of production: corporate tax, dividend and retained earnings. Corporate tax means it is a direct tax paid by an enterprise to the government on the total profit earned by it. It is also known as profit tax or business tax. Second, dividend. It refers to that part of profit which is paid to the shareholder in the ratio of their shareholding. It is also known as distributive profit. Retained earnings, the part of the profit which is not paid, which is retained to meet unexpected contingency or for business expansion. It is also known as undistributed profit or saving of private sector or reserve and surplus. Now, in short, profit is equal to corporate profit tax plus dividend plus retained earnings. If in the question that is given profit, take as it is. If it is not given, then you have to calculate by this formula: corporate tax plus dividend plus retained earnings. Now, the last factor income, that is mixed income. It is an income generated by the own account worker and unincorporated enterprises. It means, for example, income of a doctor running a clinic at his residence, that is known as a mixed income, which is also known as a factor income. Income received by a teacher by running his own coaching center, that is also known as a mixed income. The last, income method. By income method, how we are going to calculate NDP at the rate of FC. First of all, add COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. COE plus rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit plus mixed income. What we are able to calculate? NDP at the rate of FC. It means net domestic product at the rate of factor cost plus net factor income from abroad. Then we are able to calculate national income, net national product at the rate of factor cost. Now I have uploaded few questions of related topics. You just try to solve it.